I don't mind traveling alone. In fact, I love it because it allows me a deeper sense of freedom. I can go whenever and wherever I want to. I can do whatever I want to do, and I can move on my own pace. Traveling alone also excites me. The thought that I don't have anyone else but myself to help me or guide me is a challenge that I love putting myself through. I've learned a lot of useful and awesome things from these solo travels. Solo travels should not be shamed or discouraged. I strongly believe that solo travels are necessary for personal growth because it changes you in more ways than you can imagine. I visited Mount Gozaisho last March 2019. During that time of the year, it is the only place near me that still has snow. If I went there earlier that year, I could have seen Mount Gozaisho's majestic winter forests with frozen trees, but it was already March, so the frozen trees are gone, and only the thick, snowy pathways remained. But hey, they still look majestic, don't they? Mount Gozaisho is 2 hours away from my home in Nagoya, Japan, so it was the perfect place to be.
I don't have a seatbelt or anything else. But I'm not really afraid, but I'm just shocked that they don't provide any seatbelts here. Yeah, so let me just show you where I am. Okay, so we're going from here to there at the summit. So you see, people do not have seatbelts or something to just not fall down. And at the back, you can see hi, so I'm stuck. Look at me. Look at me. I can't go out. What the fudge? My jeans are in. Okay, so I just be careful. My jeans are not actually waterproof, so I don't really want to do that again. So hawak-hawak din tayo, no? Kasi
during this time, I've been greatly challenged with everything that's been happening in my life. So visiting Mount Gozaisho is not about visiting tourist spots. It was more of returning to nature for refuge and peace, to comfort my troubled heart and mind during that time. And I guess I found the perfect spot, and I stayed there for 2 hours, never minding the cold, staring at the majestic view, quieting my mind and healing my troubled heart.
I'm alive. So I'm finally going back down to the base of the summit. I lost my gloves along the way, so I don't have any more hand protection, but it's fine.
Trips like this have saved me multiple times. So when people tell you it's not cool to travel alone, tell them that there's a girl you know, and traveling alone helped her stay and feel alive.